Hi, I'm Michael Romine with Houston Grass. If you're looking for sod installation in Pasadena, Texas, you're in the right place. We serve Pasadena and the surrounding southeast Harris County area with premium Texas-grown turf grass. The right grass depends on your sunlight, your shade, and how you use your yard. We offer Raleigh St. Augustine, Palmetto St. Augustine, Cobalt St. Augustine, Tifway 419 Bermuda, and Zoysia options like Palisades, Emerald, and Cavalier. If your yard has shade, Palmetto or Cobalt may be the best fit. If you want a durable, easy care lawn with more sun, Raleigh or Palisades may be a great choice. And if you need a tough grass for full sun and heavier traffic, Tifway 419 Bermuda is often a strong option. We also work with homeowners in Pasadena neighborhoods and subdivisions. In many HOA communities, front yard grass requirements may be specific, so it's always a smart idea to check before you choose. If you're not sure what grass is best for your property, we can help you find the right solution. At Houston Grass, we help you choose the right grass and get your lawn started the right way. If you're ready to improve your Pasadena lawn, give us a call or request a quote online.